You are going to love the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, technology package, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.